Trump proposes slashing health, education, and clean energy while boosting military spending. President Donald Trump unveiled a 2026 budget proposal calling for steep cuts to domestic programs, including public health, education, and clean energy, alongside significant increases in military and border security funding. The plan signals a sharp shift in federal priorities amid ongoing negotiations in a Republican-controlled Congress. The budget proposes a $163 billion reduction in discretionary funding, targeting key domestic programs while increasing defense and security budgets by 13%. Funding for the National Institutes of Health would be cut by $18 billion, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention would face a $3.6 billion reduction, raising concerns about public health capacity. The Low-Income Energy Assistance Program, LIHAP, would see a $4 billion cut, and various clean energy initiatives would face funding decreases, reflecting a deprioritization of environmental programs. The budget includes cuts to education programs such as TRIO, which supports low-income and first-generation college students, drawing criticism from lawmakers and advocates. Defense spending would rise by $113 billion, and the Department of Homeland Security would receive an additional $43.8 billion, emphasizing Trump's focus on national security and immigration enforcement. The proposal includes $500 million for a new public health initiative aimed at promoting nutrition and exercise. Though overall health funding sees major reductions, House Speaker Mike Johnson praised the budget as a bold blueprint, prioritizing American values, while Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer condemned it as heartless, accusing Trump of attacking healthcare and education to fund tax breaks for the wealthy. Senator Susan Collins noted the budget is just a starting point in the annual process, emphasizing Congress's ultimate control over spending decisions and expressing objections to several proposed cuts. With current government funding set to expire on September 30th, this budget proposal will influence negotiations in Congress, where a 60-vote Senate threshold requires bipartisan support, complicating the passage of such sweeping cuts. Trump's budget underscores his administration's priorities of strengthening military and border enforcement while scaling back investments in health, education, and environmental programs, setting the stage for contentious budget battles ahead.